break the limit. Welcome back. I am Paul Chris Salaam. This is Mentorship 2.0 Part 2. As we stated in our last broadcast, every great leader is traceable to an outstanding mentor. If you want to excel in any field, prayerfully choose someone you admire and respect and ask for guidance, if possible, one-on-one. But sometimes you don't choose your mentor choose you. I will be remiss if I did not mention this. For you to understand what mentorship is, you must first understand what mentorship is not. Number one, mentorship is not sponsorship. Your mentor is not a giver of handout. Your mentor's investment in you is purely knowledge and guidance based. If they are generous to you, it's a plus, but that is not their purpose. Number two, mentors may not be necessarily someone you talk to every day on the phone or through text messages, etc. You can be mentored by their books, tips, etc. Modern tech has made most things easy these days. If you are fortunate, you have a direct contact with your mentor. It's a plus and a privilege. Use it wisely. Number three, a mentor is not a person that tells you what you want to hear, but what you need to hear. One of the main qualities mentors look for in a prodigy or student is this. Every mentor loves a teachable student. If you want to be mentored by someone, you must be teachable. Be humble, willing to learn and make corrections. I have seen many people confuse coaching and mentoring. These are two different things. Let me give you some examples of the differences between these two. Number one, coaching is short term while mentorship is long term. Number two, coaching takes a specific approach and has a specific focus. Number three, it's result oriented. Mentorship is also result oriented but takes a long term approach. Coaching does not necessarily need a design. You can start coaching someone today. For example, you want to compete in the Olympics and you hire someone to help you prepare for that event. Your interaction and focus are for that specific event. The focus of your coach is centered or tailored towards that event. And everything he or she does is to prepare you for that. Your relationship with your coach in this instant is primarily based on your desire to compete in the Olympics. Number four, while you can start coaching someone today, but mentorship or mentoring is by design. Let's look at it another way. The medical field is a broad field. There are different doctors specialized in various aspects in the field. But there are those that are called specialty doctors. For example, a surgeon is a medical practitioner that specializes specifically in surgery. He went through the basic training that every doctor must go through, but his expertise is in surgery. That is primarily focused. While a GP or general practitioner refers to a doctor who is trained in a wide range of medical procedures. In this case, the coach will be a surgeon, while the mentor is a general practitioner. Mentorship is by design. Number five, coaching is service-oriented and it's impermanence or provisional, while mentoring and mentorship is relationship-based and it's long-term or current. You can never outgrow your need for a mentor. Number six, coaching is for a season and mentorship is for a lifetime. Number seven, mentoring is development-driven, while coaching is performance-driven. Mentorship takes an holistic approach in developing an individual. Here are some benefits of mentorship. Mentors help you identify your strengths and weaknesses, and the mentor can see your blind side and is able to help you to correct it. Number five, mentors are both a guide and an educator. In closing, in order for you to be mentored, you have to have an open mind and never assume you are done learning, because you may never know what you can improve or make better through mentoring. I am Paul Chris Salaam. Thank you for listening.